Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share Spotify on Instagram story with music. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Spotify mobile application. Then you will have to select that particular song which you want to add in your Instagram story. So let's say I want to add this particular song over here. So I'll simply tap on this song, and as you can see over here that this song is now playing. If I scroll down, it will show you that the lyrics for this particular song cannot be loaded, but no worries. Over here you are going to see this little share icon, so you will have to tap on the share icon, and then you are going to see the option of stories. So if you tap on stories, you will be redirected in your Instagram stories section where you can add any text on this song if you want to, and after that you will have to press this checkbox in the bottom, and then you will have to tap on share. Then you need to press done. This way you will be able to share your Spotify on Instagram story with music. Now if you want to add more interaction into the song, then what you can do is you can simply start screen recording it, and after that you can upload that recorded video in your Instagram story and it will also work the same. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.